While it seems like everyone is chasing the same oversaturated trends online, a handful of industries are quietly setting the stage for the next wave of millionaires. These aren't the get-rich-quick schemes plastered all over the internet. We're talking about 5 real business models, built on real-world needs but supercharged with new tech that have the potential to create serious wealth by 2030. In this video, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly where the smart money is headed. What if the path to wealth wasn't about inventing the next viral app, but about solving a timeless problem in a totally new way? For the next few minutes, I want you to forget everything you think you know about starting a business. We're not talking about fleeting fads. We're talking about foundational industries that are going through massive changes, opening up huge opportunities for anyone paying attention. The next 5 years will bring incredible change, and with that change comes the chance to build an empire. We've done the homework, looked at the market forecasts, and zeroed in on the 5 specific business models that are projected to explode by 2030. Each one blends the stability of a traditional business with the insane scalability of modern technology. And you'll want to stick around until the end, because the 5th business on our list is one that most people completely overlook, yet it's tied to one of the most powerful trends on the planet. Let's build your future. First up, a business that has always been a cornerstone of wealth: real estate. But this isn't your parents' real estate. The old idea of just buying a property and waiting for it to appreciate is too slow and outdated. The new path to wealth in real estate is smarter, driven by technology, and focused on very specific, high-demand niches. Housing is a basic need, which is why rental properties have always been seen as a resilient investment. But today, winning isn't just about location. It's about data, flexibility, and serving modern lifestyles. We're seeing the rise of data-driven investment platforms that use AI to analyze markets and pinpoint opportunities, letting investors make smarter decisions instead of just guessing. So, where are the real opportunities? First, look at co-living spaces and mixed-use developments. As cities get denser, young professionals want convenience and community, so properties that combine living, working, and social spaces are booming. Second, the real estate for the internet itself, things like data centers and cell towers, is in soaring demand as 5G, cloud computing, and AI consume more data than ever. Finally, don't sleep on the boring but incredibly stable world of self-storage. It's known for its high demand and resilience, often without the usual headaches of being a landlord. The key takeaway is this: real estate is still a powerful wealth builder, but the new millionaires in this space will be the ones who use technology, understand niche markets, and adapt to how we live now. It's no longer just about owning property, it's about owning the right kind of property for the world of tomorrow. Next on the list is a business you've definitely heard of, but it's evolving at lightning speed: e-commerce. The days of throwing up a generic online store with random products are long gone. The future of online retail is all about hyper-personalization and building a real brand for a niche community. The dropshipping model, which allows you to start with minimal risk, is a huge part of this, with some projections showing the market could surpass $400 billion by 2025. The winners in the next 5 years won't be the general stores, they'll be specialists. The real money is in creating a brand that serves a specific, passionate audience. Think sustainable products, custom gear for niche hobbies, or wellness items. AI and automation aren't just extras anymore, they're essential. By 2025, using AI to give personalized recommendations and tailored marketing will be the standard expectation for shoppers. The goal is to make the experience feel like a one-on-one conversation. Another massive shift is social commerce. Social media isn't just for marketing anymore. It's becoming a place where people buy directly. Sales happening on social platforms are growing fast, with some high-end estimates predicting they could reach $1.2 trillion globally by 2025. This means your products need to be buyable the moment someone discovers them, often without them ever leaving the app. The playbook is clear: find a niche you care about, build a strong brand, use AI to make the customer experience deeply personal, and sell your products wherever your customers hang out online. The e-commerce gold rush isn't over, it has just gotten a lot smarter. The third business on our list is probably the most scalable model of the 21st century, software as a service, or SaaS. This is the engine that runs the digital world, and its growth is explosive. The SaaS market is projected to be worth over $700 billion by 2030, and some optimistic forecasts even think it could top $900 billion. What makes it so powerful? It's built on recurring revenue. Customers pay a subscription, giving you predictable, compounding income. And you don't need to be the next Microsoft to strike it rich. The real opportunity today is in vertical SaaS, which just means creating software for a very specific, underserved industry. Think about all the boring businesses out there: plumbing, landscaping, commercial cleaning. These industries are often years behind on technology. A simple, well-designed app that solves a major pain point, like scheduling for contractors or inventory for a small shop, can be incredibly valuable. AI is the next frontier here. AI-powered software can automate complicated tasks, predict trends for a business, and offer personalization that was impossible before. This is where a small team, or even one person, can identify a problem in a niche industry, build a software solution, and scale it to thousands of customers all over the world. While starting a SaaS company does take some skill, the rise of no-code and low-code platforms is making it more accessible than ever. If you can find a boring problem and solve it with simple software, you could be sitting on a goldmine. The beauty of SaaS is that you build it once and can sell it an infinite number of times. That's a wealth-building machine. The fourth business that will create a new wave of millionaires is one you're part of right now: content creation. But this isn't just about YouTube ad revenue. We're now in the era of the creator economy 2.0, where creators are becoming full-fledged media companies. In this new era, creators are moving way beyond ads and sponsorships. The real money is in building a direct relationship with an audience and monetizing that trust. Top creators are launching their own products, creating paid membership communities, offering high-ticket courses, and even building their own software. Your content is no longer the final product. It's the top of the marketing funnel for your entire business ecosystem. The biggest shift is going from being a renter on social media to an owner. Relying only on platforms is risky because algorithms change. Smart creators are building their own websites, email lists, and apps where they control the relationship with their audience. And AI is becoming a creator's best friend. It can help generate ideas, automate video editing, and even translate content for a global audience. Success isn't just about having millions of followers anymore. It's about having a deeply engaged niche audience that trusts you. In fact, many brands now prefer working with smaller, niche creators who have that dedicated following. The opportunity here is massive. If you have expertise in anything: finance, fitness, gardening, gaming, you can build a community and then build a multifaceted business around it. You're no longer just a content creator, you're the founder of your own brand. And the fifth and final business is tapping into one of the most powerful shifts of our time: the global focus on health and wellness. This isn't just a fleeting trend, it's a fundamental change in what people value. The global wellness market is projected to skyrocket, with credible forecasts suggesting it could reach nearly $10 trillion by 2030. This industry is incredibly diverse, with opportunities in both digital and physical businesses. The growth is being driven by an aging population, a new focus on preventive health, and a collective desire for a higher quality of life. On the digital side, think wellness apps, personalized nutrition plans, remote fitness coaching, and mental health platforms. Corporate wellness is also a booming niche as more companies invest in their employees' health. On the retail side, there's huge demand for products that support a healthy lifestyle. This is everything from organic food and supplements to sustainable activewear and at-home workout gear. One of the biggest trends is blending the online and offline worlds. Think of a local yoga studio that also has an app with on-demand classes, or a supplement company that uses an online quiz to create personalized vitamin packs. The key to winning in this space is authenticity and specialization. People are smart and want brands they can trust. Whether you're launching a line of clean supplements, developing a mindfulness app, or opening a boutique gym, your success will ride on your ability to deliver real results and build a community around your mission. This industry isn't just about selling products. It's about helping people live better, healthier lives, and the financial rewards for doing that are staggering. Alright, if this breakdown got your wheels turning and you're ready to stop chasing fads and start building real wealth, do two things for me right now. Hit that like button and subscribe to Wealth Saga for more deep dives into the strategies that create lasting financial freedom. And I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which of these 5 businesses you're most excited about. So, to recap, we have the 5 businesses poised to create the next wave of millionaires. Modernized real estate, hyper-personalized e-commerce, niche SaaS solutions, the creator as a brand model, and the booming health and wellness industry. You probably noticed the thread that ties them all together, right? They all solve a fundamental human need, but they're powered up with today's technology, personalization, and a strong brand. The real question isn't which one of these is the best business, but which one is the best business for you. The path to wealth is never easy, but for those who are willing to look at where the world is going, it's clearer than ever. The next 5 years are a blank page. Go write your success story.